Let's learn the Greek alphabet. That's the letter alpha, capital and small one. Anthropos. Anthropos. That's the letter β. Βιβλίο. Βιβλίο. This one is the letter γ. Γάλα. Γάλα. This one is the letter δέλτα. Δωμάτιο. Δωμάτιο. This one is the letter epsilon. Ελπίδα. Ελπίδα. This one is the letter zeta. Ζωή. Ζωή. This one is the letter eta. Ήλιος. Ήλιος. This one is the letter theta. Θάλασσα. Θάλασσα. This one is the letter iota. Ιδέα. Ιδέα. This one is the letter kappa. Κόσμος. Κόσμος. This one is the letter lambda. Λέξη. Λέξη. This one is the letter mi. Μήλο. Μήλο. This one is the letter ni. Νύχτα. Νύχτα. This one is the letter xi. Ξύφος. Ξύφος. This one is the letter omicron. Όνομα. Όνομα. This one is the letter p. Πόλη. Πόλη. This one is the letter ρο. Ρόδο. Ρόδο. This one is the letter sigma. Σκιά. Σκιά. This one is the letter ταφ. Τρία. Τρία. This one is the letter ypsilon. Ύπνος. Ύπνος. This one is the letter φι. Φίλο. Φίλο. This one is the letter χ. Χειμώνας. Χειμώνας. This one is the letter ψ. Ψάρι. Ψάρι. And this one is the letter omega. Ωκεανός. Now, if you are wondering why we have three letters for the same letter, this is because this one, the first one, is the capital sigma, and the next two are the small sigma. Now, the one in the middle usually goes in the beginning of the Greek words or in the middle, whereas the last one, this one, goes at the very end of the word, like xyphos. All of them, they have the same pronunciation. Something else, if you are wondering why we have different letters with the same sounds, that is because in classical Greek they were pronounced differently. But in modern Greek, iota is pronounced as I, eta is pronounced as I, and ypsilon is pronounced as I. Also, omicron and omega, they are pronounced the same as O. Now, xi and psi are considered double letters, double consonants, so xi is K plus S and psi is P plus S.